Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video, and this is a 2021 MG3, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight bulbs. So to do this we're going to have to open up the bonnet, and that is over the left hand side of the car, or the passenger side of the car. Just down in the footwell we're going to pull this lever here, come back to the front of the car, and then just above the MG badge there's a little lever there that we're going to push to the right, and then we'll open up the bonnet, and then we secure the bonnet by this bonnet stay here going into that hole. With the bonnet now safe and secure, I can actually show you where each of the bulbs is hidden on both sides. So it's the same on both sides, it's just tucked in towards the wing. You see this rubber tab here, that is actually how we get into our bulbs, and MG have given us a nice amount of space on both sides as well. So for the sake of the video, I'll just do this one here and I'll just reposition the camera. Like I say, the bulb's hidden just behind this rubber grommet here, and we're just going to pull that off using that tab. And that is a water and dust seal. It's nice and easy to take off. Just put that up there somewhere safe, and then you can actually get your hand in there, reach onto the back of the bulb, and we're going to turn it anti-clockwise and take the bulb out. So that's what the bulb looks like. And then to undo the electrical connection, you get the tab on the back, and you just pull that away. So this is our bulb, and to read you the number, it is HB3U9005, and then this says LL, 12 volt and 60 watts. So that's what our bulb looks like, and just to let you know the orientation, it is inside the light. It's actually down about that angle, and to loosen it you're going to turn it up like that. So to put it back in, we're going to put it back in horizontal like that. So let me reposition the camera and I'll show you me doing that now. Before we put the bulb in, we're going to put the electrical connection back on. Then like I say, you're going to try and get it in that sort of angle, straight in, don't touch the glass at all, and then turn it back clockwise and that will lock in. Give it a little bit of a pull to make sure it's not loose. Get a rubber cap, and seat that back over, making sure it goes in all the way around. And that's how easy it is to remove and replace the headlight bulbs on a 2021 MG3. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.